Friends, if you're new to my channel, welcome. If you are returning, welcome back. Today we're going to do a tutorial on this temporary glitter tattoo tumbler. I'm so excited to show you how I created this. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe. Your support means so much to me. So today what you're going to need is a prepped and ready tumbler, tack it over and over from the white bottle, a brush or some sort of tool to help you get your tack it over and over on, glitter of your choice. I recommend fine or ultra fine, and we are going to simply jump right in and start by applying our tack it. You're going to want to make sure that you apply this in thin, even layers all over your entire cup. It's important that you make sure you've got all of the area covered. This way you don't have any blank spaces when you go in to lay your glitter flat or varnish it into the cup. So make sure that you pay close attention to the top and bottom rims, and if you're going to finish off the bottom of your cup, now's the time to make sure to do that. Once your cup has dried, you can wait roughly about 10 to 15 minutes, or you can use your heat gun to speed up the process. You're going to want to go in with your glitters of choice. I am using 3 glitters today so that I can create an ombre effect. So I'm going to start with my darkest color and work all the way down to my lightest. You'll notice that I do leave gaps in between each color. This will help me create my ombre effect once I have my glitters laid out and road mapped. Also, make sure that you are tapping off any excess glitter. This will just be sure that you don't have glitter that's not sticking down and it's not adhered to your cup. So it just makes for a cleaner look. Now, once you have all of your glitters down and mapped out the way that you like them, then you can go in to begin your ombre. You can do this process as many times until you receive the ombre look that you are going for. But simply tilt your cup down, raise your glitter higher than you typically would so that it falls down into the next color. You can do this both pointing down and up, and the more times you do this, the better your ombre is going to finish out. Because we're using the tack it method, I didn't go over this numerous times, but you can do so if you would like. From there, what you're going to do is with a gloved hand, you're just going to rub your glitter in. This will help it lay flat and give it a super, super awesome holographic look, which is one of the pretty amazing things you get when you are using the tack it method. Once you've completed that, then we are going to move into sealing. I am going to use my favorite polyurethane sealer and a silicone brush. You don't necessarily have to seal in your glitters. It's just something that I do out of habit. I just make sure that I get a really quick thin coat of my polyurethane, and I let that dry for about 30 minutes or so. And then I move into my next step, which is applying the temporary tattoo. Okay, so with the temporary tattoo, a few things that you're going to need to know. Once you lay it on your cup, unlike water slide, you cannot move it around. So make sure that when you're placing it, it is right where you want it to be before you take off the plastic cover and you apply it to your cup. If you pull it up, it will definitely make a mess of the temporary tattoo that you're going to use. And then from there, what I did, because this is a curved cup, is I did make slits on the side of the temporary tattoo. The reason for this is because it allows me to lay the temporary tattoo down nice and even and remove any crinkles or wrinkles so that that is minimized when we lift the paper off to leave our temporary tattoo on the cup itself. So because this is something that is new to my channel, I am going to let this play through. So just enjoy the music in the background. If you have any questions about this technique, please drop them in the comments. I would love to help or elaborate on anything that you may have questions on. Okay, well now that we've got that all situated, it's time for epoxy. So I did 2 more coats of epoxy, popped bubbles with my torch, and this is the end result. I am totally in love with how this turned out, and definitely going to be creating more of these temporary tattoo tumblers. So if you have any questions, please drop them in the comments below and follow me on social. I look forward to seeing you there.